Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to send a large file through email. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So for example, I'm going to show you. I'm clicking on attach file and here is the file. I'm going to select this and here we can see your file is larger than 25 megabyte. It will be sent as a Google Drive link, but I think Google Drive sharing option is a very bad choice. I don't want to upload this file to my Google Drive, so I'm going to cancel this from here. And now I'm going to show you a very easiest way to send large file in Gmail. So open a new tab and type here WeTransfer and open this first website, WeTransfer.com, and I'm going to drag and drop this file here and simply click on get a link, and it will take some time to finish the uploading process. And after uploading, click on copy link and now open your Gmail, and now here you have to paste that copied code here. And if someone copy this link and open it on browser, so from here they will be able to download this larger file easily. So as you can see, so this was how we can share larger files through Gmail. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.